Man, it's the weekend edition, and my name's Dez. This video is good through Sunday, March 9th, 2014. We're gonna look at a couple things here. Markets on Friday and half bullish, half bearish. I said we'd probably end out the week bearish. I was only half right. What's interesting though, ending out the week, we had a very strong bank. The bank was in bullish territory big time. That's giving a lot of support to upward movement starting off coming into Monday. But technically, I'm going to show you something far different. VIX was also down by 0.7% on Friday. Take a look here at the S&P daily. Here's an uptrend. I redrew some trend lines, and this is what I foresee. I have a fairly confirmed upward trend line, what I call my phantom or ghost line down below. Two parallel lines, and I think this is our channel for a while. The weekly chart, and remember you can always blow up the chart down here at the bottom. Go to full screen, see this dude in high definition. The problem with the weekly chart on the S&P 500 is we rallied higher, 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 but we have this trend line now. It's acting as resistance. You can see support, 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 support broken. Now we're at that resistance. So on the weekly, we're at resistance. On the monthly S&P 500, we're at resistance. Big resistance back here in 2010, 2011, here 2013, 2014, we're at resistance. We're here, we're at it. On the monthly chart, we're at resistance. Well, I'd say semi-resistance on the weekly chart. On the daily chart at resistance. Gang, technically, we're set up to drop next week. I mean, we're set up to drop for the next few weeks, actually, if not months. But we keep going higher. That's just perplexing, isn't it? Check this out. Here's the NASDAQ daily chart. Couple very key trend lines coming up. We go into a rising wedge. On the MACD, we have a bearish divergence on the daily. Darn near broke this dude on Friday. This is really dangerous territory. NASDAQ starts to go down any lower, woe to the NASDAQ and all tech stocks. Here's the weekly chart. We're at resistance. We keep touching this line and dropping, pulling back from it. Wouldn't surprise me to see us drop next couple weeks. Here's the monthly chart. At a big resistance point. Support, support broken, acts as resistance, and resistance continues to act as resistance. We're there. And look how extended we are. Wow, we are so extended. We are begging for some pullback. A good 10% pullback would be very, very healthy for the markets. Russell's monthly is over a trend line, which is bullish for the small caps. Weekly, though, big time at a resistance point. Daily, building a high base just below a major area of resistance. Here's gold, rising wedge, bearish divergence on the centered oscillator MACD, set to 5.9N2, more advanced settings here. Gap down, run up, but below a support area. This is a breaking of a rising wedge out. Here's the weekly chart. Up, 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 up. Now look for a reversal, a pullback on gold. The monthly chart, though, still in a nice up leg. Falling wedge, breakout. I could certainly see more upside potential here. It might want to pull back, do a little double bottom. Boom, boom, right here. Boom, boom, and then rally. We'll see how this plays itself out. Here's Apple monthly chart. Big symmetrical triangle. Watch for huge movement on Apple, one direction or the other. As far as weekly is concerned, boom, look at this. Big symmetrical triangle on the weekly. All the moving averages starting to converge onto each other. Big time pressure, big time movement expected on Apple. Daily, look how beautiful the coiling is here. Follow my mouse here. The coiling, it's so beautiful. Look at the moving averages. Look how wide they are here. Then they start to coil tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Believe you me, Apple is set up to move. So for you option players out there, look for implied volatility play. So a little tidbit for you. And Amazon daily, caught up moving averages. Facebook, chopping around here. It's kind of a rising wedge play going with the bearish divergence. Just be really careful. Really careful here with Facebook. It's starting to weaken up quite a bit. Google, daily chart, double top. Look at this. Double top. Watch for a drop, man. This, be very careful with Google. Oh, it broke the line. Wait, let me make sure this is spot on. I'm real anal when it comes to my trend lines. Oh, it broke it. Watch out below for Google. Google in bad shape. I think we've hit our high for a while. I think we're going to pull back. This is a weekly chart, monthly chart. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, watch for a reversal, gang. For Google, you're hearing it right here. I'm calling it. And LinkedIn, just in this downtrend, caught up in moving averages. Microsoft, I'm going to tweak this to encapsulate all these candlesticks. I see it relaxing and pulling back. Netflix, it's toppy. Twitter just is in trouble. It's at this resistance line coming across there and dropping yet again. I'm going to look at volume. Volume's not too bad. And if you're catching this on a Friday night or early Saturday, you still have time to join us for a free class. It's not about how to trade and trade better. It's about your trading systems. It's about trading computers and gadgets, about trading apps that are out there, and really cool softwares to use for backups. And we talk about multiple monitors. And there's a new broker in town that's doing something very special that we share in this program. Certainly don't want to miss that. I probably should just show it to you. How do you get signed up? Just come to the website over here on the right. You'll see upcoming events and upcoming events. This one happened already. That was earlier today. I'm doing this on Friday, but tomorrow it's at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're on the West Coast or in Hawaii, you're going to have to get up really early. But anyway, great program. Matter of fact, the last two days ago and today, we booked out at 500 students. So I expect the same to be tomorrow. Sorry if you cannot get registered and get in. We'll have to wait. Listen, we're doing these each week now. A different program each week. And it's happening every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, the same program. And we have 5 different things that we're teaching. So you definitely want to hit all 5 of these. I'm out of here. Share this with a friend. Catch you later.